Okay, in this video we're going to talk about and or statements in math. So and or statements in math have a very special meaning. They don't just mean the same thing so let's explain what that means. So an and statement in math means that, let's give an example and then we'll show you what exactly and means in math. So let's say you're given something like this. 5 plus 1 is equals to 6, and 6 plus 2 is equals to 3. Now the and statement says that, are these both true? If both of these are true, then the whole thing is true. So if 5 plus 1 equals to 6, yes it is. And is 6 minus 2 equals to 3? No, it's not. Well, in this case, because one of them is not true, this whole thing, we can think of this as a sentence. This sentence doesn't make sense because one of the things that we've said that has to be true is not. So in order for this sentence, you can think of it that way to make sense, this bottom number has to be corrected. This bottom number has to be true for the and statement to be true. So how can we do that? We change the bottom number to 4. So 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. That's true. And 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. Is that true? Yeah, it is. So this whole thing is true now. This whole sentence is true. An or statement, let's do the exact same example. Let's change it to this. An or statement says not both of them have to be true, only one has to be true for the sentence to be true. So if 5 plus 1 equals to 5, it's not. So that's not true. Or is 5 plus 1 equals to 6? That is true. So because one of them was true, this whole statement or sentence is true. So on the first one, both of them had to be true. In this one, only one had to be true. And I guess let's do some kind of picture to make you kind of understand what's the difference. Okay, so the difference was in the and statement, only both of them had to be true. So let's say this one was true, this thing was true, but this thing was not true, then the whole thing would not be true. So both of the things have to be true in order for the whole thing to be true. Now the difference for an or statement is that one thing down here could be true, but the other thing could not be true. So as long as one is true, the or statement is true. As long as both of them are true, the and statement is true.